So we got this memory block, guys. This is our wedding thing, and there's another one here. Let me say together. Cheers. See that one there, and this is kind of hexagonal. It's hexagonal. See, that's kind of pretty heavy and like that. And of course, there's a photo in the front, guys. It's a private. So this one is a square one, and there is a thing here. I already like that they gave it, and this is kind of really good quality. You know, very good quality. That's why we really picked that up. And I ordered only 3 this time. Maybe next time again. So look at this, guys. Yeah, home design and memory for your memory. Home design memory block, your memory. So and then address there. So yeah, it's very good, and we're so happy for it. So this one here. Yeah, that's actually for Christmas, but well, since we already opened it, why not? And this one got hole here. That's the one we have to put them in the thing. So we have to drill the hole for them, you know. Amazing. I've got another one here. Bubbles everywhere. So this one have to be like this, you know. No need to do hole or drilling that one because it's hexagonal and quite heavy when you put this somewhere. So yeah. Okay. We do cheers there. There's another one here, the heavier one. There's another one here. Wow. Okay, there's another square, but that is the larger than what. So we're gonna put this in the big room. We have, see. Thank you, memory block, but I inspect if you're doing the right thing, or because this part here, the memory blocks in us, this it kind of a bubbles in the corner. I think I'm sure you can see the spot here. It kind of bubbles, and I don't know why. So that's the one I have to inquire them why it's like that, or maybe because of the photo design that I made or something in that form. Yeah, alright. We'll see. We'll check this one too. Open this, guys. So here it is, guys. It's good. And they are kind of taller. They're quite big and tall. So that's different size. Again, I think this is taller one. Again, they got nice things in here. Cheers! Order now. Not